Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and I am a makeup collector and hoarder. In order for me to continue to collect and hoard, I promised my husband I'd do this. So here we are. So today I am going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm base box and sharing my thoughts and opinions on currently how BoxyCharm has been. And yeah, so if that sounds interesting to you, then just keep on watching. All right, so let's just go ahead and start and talk about BoxyCharm and the way things have been going. Within the last few months, they went ahead and raised their prices on each and every single one of their boxes. I used to be subscribed to each and every single one of their boxes. As of right now, I canceled my premium, so I'm only getting one box a month, and then I have continued my Luxe. We'll see how that goes because I think Luxe isn't February, but I believe it is March. So depending on what the choices are will depend on if I want to keep that subscription. Today I have January's base box in front of me. And if I'm correct, this box now retails for $27.99. When I started, I think BoxyCharm was like $24 or somewhere in that price area with shipping and taxes. So to me, for it to jump up to $30 with shipping and taxes, it's gotta be like worth it, because to me that's a big jump. And I remember back when I started BoxyCharm, I was getting things from Tatcha, I was getting things from Tarte, I was getting things from larger brands that everyone recognizes, and then it started to get from brands like Cab Beauty, which if I'm correct you can find in Walmart, and to me that is not a premium brand to be put into a premium box. You know, it's just like some of the brands that we see, a lot of people, and I watch people unbox them, or I'll watch like a spoilers video. A lot of people are like, well, who is that brand? Like, I've never heard of it except from receiving it in Ipsy or BoxyCharm. So to me, the price that I was paying for all these boxes wasn't worth it, because I was getting crap items that I was literally giving away to friends and family because it didn't work for me, or it wasn't something that was suited for my likes and my taste. Or I'd sell it on Mercari because it was already an item I already received in BoxyCharm. And it's like, why am I receiving duplicates? But anyway, with that said, those are my complaints for BoxyCharm right now. I don't think I'm getting my money's worth. The only reason I'm still subscribed is because I want access to Drop Shop every month, because in Drop Shop I have found items that I really like and I can get them for super cheap. For example, for a while they had the Milk like clear Kush brow gel. That shit is bomb. I bought like 3 backups. Like, I still have some, and right now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, which is all right. I think I'm gonna go back to my Milk one, but I got that in BoxyCharm. I'm like, it'll do. But I love the Milk ones. Recently they had the self tanner I enjoy using in Boxy pop-up, and it was only $9 and it retails for $34 on Sephora's website. I'm like, I'm not paying $34, but I can go ahead and buy 2 and have a backup. So there are things that I have liked from Boxy pop-up and I've purchased, and I wanted to be able to keep my access to their shop, because in order to access Boxy pop-up, Boxy drop shop, whatever the hell they call it now, you have to be subscribed to their boxes. So I was like, I'll just stay subscribed to the cheapest one, because to me, out of all the boxes, premium is the worst. With all of that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into my base box. All right, so I have my little card in front of me, and it's a BoxyCharm Refresh. So I'm hoping they're refreshing their brand, because that would be nice. Because I feel like my hair is gonna fall off the top of my head. All right, so my choice item. So for the month of January for base box, you had the choice of a Wander Beauty, I can't remember if it was an eyeshadow palette or a face palette, or the option of having Pharmacy's like hyaluronic serum. I went ahead and picked up the, like, out of my choices, I picked the Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So I'm actually excited to try this because I like Pharmacy's products. I use their Green Clean to take my makeup off. And I think I've tried a couple masks from them. I've tried a toner from them. I'm really tempted to try their new moisturizer. I think it's a moisturizer with niacinamide in it. Like, it sounds interesting to me. This is what the bottle looks like. And on the back, it says, a skin plumping microfilling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced molecular hyaluronic acid designed to work more effectively with the skin, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. I think this is like from the same line that I have a mask from. And this retails for $44. Like, yeah, that sounds about right. Pharmacy's a little bit pricier when it comes to skincare. So I'm super excited to try this. Next item up, this is another one of these brands that I'm like, I've never heard of you except for the fact that I've received a mascara or something from this brand before. This is going to be Dermalex Revitalize Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. So it comes in a box like this. The description says, specially formulated to address serious dark circles, reduce the look of tired and puffy eyes under eye bags, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids. I don't have eyelids. Like, they're tiny. Light diffusing pigments instantly and clearly conceal any damage. Smoothing cool tip applicator makes the eye area feel rejuvenated and energized. So it's gonna have a metal tip applicator. Why all this packaging for a product that's the size of a mascara tube? Okay, anyway, let's see. Oh, and it's professional strength. Okay, cool. Oh, I was right. It's a metal tip applicator. You know, I have pretty bad dark circles. So you know what? I might give this product a go. I'm actually going to look on their website and stuff first just to make sure I'm not like, it's not a product from Alibaba or something. I've seen that in like BoxyCharm where I'm like, oh, that's funny. Like, I've never heard of this brand. And then like on Reddit and stuff, like it was like some Alibaba brand that's like someone was buying for $4 a thing and BoxyCharm was trying to say it was $100 value. And it was like, no. This is going to be the LYS Matte Bronzer. I actually have this bronzer. Let me see. Okay, so I have it in a different shade. I got this in a BoxyCharm box maybe in like November. Now I have this bronzer and I like this bronzer. So it's not like it's a bad product, and it's a brand I've heard of. They sell in Sephora. It's a newer brand in Sephora. So far I've liked the products that I have tried. I think it's like one of those clean brands. If that's your thing, that's your thing. It's not my thing. I don't care. But this is in the shade Harmony. So this is a little lighter than the shade that I have, but this might work to when I'm a little bit paler, I guess. Oh no, this is me at my palest. So, I don't know. I might keep it, I might not. I'm gonna compare it side by side with the one I already have. But this retails for, oh, the Dermalex thing retails for $59. So a brand I've never heard of. Now if someone's gonna tell me in the comments, like, this is a prestige brand, I'm sorry, I've never heard of them, is saying that this serum is $59. It's like Kate Somerville prices, like, okay. But anyway, the LYS bronzer retails for $18. That's a good price for a bronzer, so you can't really complain. Next up is an item. It's an item from Item. Are we playing like Super Mario? It is a Lip Quit lip oil in the shade Come Through. What's this brand? I've never heard of this fucking brand. Let me see. Oh, okay. It's Item Beauty by Addison Rae. I think Addison Rae is like a little bit young for me, so I've heard the name. Does she do music or something? I don't know, but it's cool, I guess. So it's like this orange coral lip oil. Okay. Let me see if it's like super sticky. I don't like super sticky lip oils. Like, I like the ColourPop ones. Okay, it's not sticky. It feels like very hydrating. It's orange in the container, but it's not orange. It just looks kind of like nudie and glossy. This retails for $14. I like the ColourPop ones, and they retail for like $6 or $9. So I'll try it out, see if I like it. The final item in here is from Dragon Beauty. So this is a lip job liner and lip pencil sharpener. I'm looking at the card right now, and this is a Boxy exclusive, which makes sense because I'm pretty sure I've never seen Nikita Dragon come out with lip liners before. I'm pretty sure I would have seen it. like not her biggest fan. I haven't really tried any of her products. Like the packaging looks cute. This looks like a really cheap pencil sharpener. It's a itty bitty one, like with the where the lid like is held on together with the same piece of plastic. This is gonna break pretty quickly. Oh good, I have eyelash glue stuck under my nail. How does that even happen? All right. Apparently it's stuck in here. Oh wow. Okay, this is a very lengthy lip liner here. This is looks like a warm nude shade. It's more like a light brown shade. But, I mean, I'll use it. I mean, I have like this large collection of random lip liners that I've gotten from BoxyCharm. I'm pretty sure I haven't even used them all. I rarely wear a nude lip. And when I say rarely, I'm like, it's gotta be like once in a blue moon, or my eyes just have to be so outrageous I can't find a pink or a red that matches. I'll keep it. I just swatched it on my hand. I might as well put that where it goes. So that is my BoxyCharm box. Okay, so this is kind of like, I don't know. I'm very excited to have my serum. So I got that serum, the $44 serum for $27. I can't complain because that's how I will play it in my head. So I paid this much for my box. I got this nice item. If I didn't already have that bronzer, I'd be pretty excited about it because I've already tried products from the brand. I enjoy the bronzer. But besides that, I'm not excited. I'm not excited about a nude lip liner. I'm not excited about a lip oil from some teeny bopper. And then, like I said, this Dermalect brand I've never really heard of. So I'm not super excited. And this is what I was talking about. Like, I never heard of Item Beauty until I just opened this up and saw on the card that it says Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Never heard of it before. So I've only heard of Dragon Beauty is because she's constantly causing controversies in the beauty community. And that's the only reason I know who she is. And with all that said, like, let me add all this up and see if it's even worth the minimum. Because there's a lot of low items, like low cost items in this box. This box was only worth $153. I'm pretty sure I've had base boxes that hit the value of $200, but that might have been those products that were from Alibaba. I mean, I just did choice for February and I had the choice between a eye serum or eye cream from Saturday Skin, which is a brand that's constantly in BoxyCharm. And then I think the other choice was a highlighter palette from Ace Beauty, which is also constantly in BoxyCharm. I liked Ace Beauty's, I've liked Ace Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. I chose not to get the highlighter palette just because I have like a crap ton of highlighters and I figured I would probably use a vitamin C cream over a highlighter palette. So that's what I chose for choice this upcoming month. I know that if you are subscribed to Premium that you had actually a really nice choice selection, which means I have high hopes for Premium coming back up. And it was the Huda Beauty Retrograde palette, which I own that palette. It is a gorgeous palette. I only like to use that palette during retrograde just because I'm strange like that. And then the other option was the Fenty Beauty's, what are they called? Diamond Balm highlighter in the shade, like the original shade, like the 24 karat shade, which is a gorgeous highlighter. I have all of them because I hoard. So I have this need to collect things I don't need to collect. But those are great premium choices. So if I keep seeing the choices be that great, I'll probably resubscribe to Premium and cancel base. But we shall see. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video. Comment down below if you're still subscribed to BoxyCharm, what boxes you're subscribed to, or if you canceled and why you canceled. I'd love to know. But that is it. So until next time, y'all. Bye.